Have you ever wondered if there was a way that you could get rid of that straight edge with a slip knot on your cast-on border? Hi, my name's Joy Koi. Welcome to Joy Coifish. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a long-tail cast-on method without a slip knot at the beginning. This is actually the way I learned how to do the long-tail cast-on initially before I learned how to do a slip knot. So if this is better for you, it saves a bit of time. You start off with 2 stitches instead of that one slip knot on your needle. So I'm going to get started right away. Let's get 5 inches of a tail here where the loose end is. And then we're just going to put a loop around our needle like that. It's pretty simple. You just put it around. And you are going to have the tail end facing towards you. Alright, then you are going to do the long tail cast on method. I went really into it in a previous video where I showed you with the slip knot, but you can definitely watch that, but I will show you here in this one if that's more convenient to you. So here's how we do it. So you're going to take your index finger and your thumb and you're going to put it in between the 2 strands of yarn. You're going to make this V shape pointing towards your needle. There's still that loop. Make sure that that loop does not come off of your needle. Okay, so if we still have that loop there, we are going to flip around. We are going to twist our thumb so that it is pointing like an arrow to the right. And we are going to go up through this front loop near our thumb, around to this front loop near our index finger, and through that loop near our thumb with that. Now we have initially 2 stitches. The bottom stitch is that loop, and the second stitch that we just have is our second one that we just cast on. So again, I will show you how to do that, but of course there is the previous episode as well. Alright, so, lost my needles there. 1 second. I'm going to recast on. So, if you have this loop and this, you have 2 stitches. Put your 2 fingers, your index finger and your thumb through the 2 strands of yarn, and make sure that the strand that is the loose end, not connected to your ball of yarn, is in the front pointing towards you and it doesn't twist around. Put your 2 fingers in between this to make a V in the pointing to the right. Then you're going to twist your thumb to make an arrow shape, but you will also know if you've done it correct if you have this capital N looking thing here. Then you are going to take your needle, put it through the front, around, or the front near your thumb, around to the front near your index finger, and then take that loop that you just hooked around your needle to like near the index finger through your loop with the thumb. So that's a really short explanation on how to do that. I will continue casting on, but I kind of like the way that this looks if you do just the loop without the slip knot, because I can find that the last stitch that you cast on will often kind of go up like this and have a softer edge, whereas you will have this one edge where it's got the slip knot and it's going to look more straight and broad. So I kind of like the way this looks and it makes it more equal, but if you would like a straighter edge, you can definitely use a slip knot as well, and I have a technique video on that just came out, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful to you, and yeah, have a great day and happy knitting.